Okay, so for this question, this is question 3 of topic 5 AFL. So I have a rectangular sheet with PQ equals to 12 and QR is equals to 24. Now this paper is being folded along the diagonal PR. There will be an overlapping region as shown, which is PRN. So this is the overlapping region. Okay, so how do I go about doing this? Is that first, right, I'm going to define this QM as X. Okay, and I will look at how I can solve this question by first considering whether there are any triangles that are actually the same. So one triangle that I want to show to you where they are actually congruent is, of course, this triangle SRM as well as this triangle MQP. Okay, simply because you can see that this is angle, okay, and this 12, right? So definitely because you're folding, this is also 12. Okay, and also they both have a right angle. So by AAS, right, angle side, you actually have these two triangles to be congruent. Alright, so that's the first one which I want to write down in front of you. Triangle PQM would be also congruent to triangle RSM, and this is just by using AAS. Okay, now from there, right, if this is X and this is 12, right, one thing I can use this, I can say that MP is also the same as square root of 12 square plus X square lah. Okay, at the same time, not to forget that QR is 24. QR is 24. So this is also 24 minus X. Okay, we know that these two triangles are congruent. That means RM will also correspond to PM. The hypotenuse of both triangles will correspond to each other. So that's what we will do. Now, using QM equals to X, and now if we have X squared plus 12 square root, this is the same as the square root of 24 minus X. Okay, this is the same as oh sorry, it's not, it's no square root sign, it's just this. Okay, this is equals to this because of the congruency of both triangles. Both hypotenuse are equal. Right, so from here, square both sides. I have X squared plus 12 square. That gives you 24 minus X square. Expand my right hand side. 24 square is 576 minus 48X plus X square. X squared plus 12 square. Right, X squared can cancel on both sides. You simplify this, what you will get is eventually X equals to 9. Okay, yeah, so X equals to 9 already. Then what do you do? They want me to find the area of the overlapping region. Overlapping region. Okay, so this is the one that we're looking for. So after that, you can just use, now you just observe this humble triangle here, right? Just observe the humble triangle. Okay, we can treat this as the base. We can treat this as the height. Sorry, the green is the base and the blue is the height. Okay, so just observe this triangle. This can be the base, this can be the height. So the area of the triangle is just half times height times base, which is square root of 12 square plus 9 square. 12 square plus 9 square, that is 144 plus 81. Okay, so eventually your answer will turn out to be 90 units square. Okay, once again, 12 square plus 9 square. This is the area of triangle PRM. Okay, and we are done for this question.